Welcome back to DIY Agri Farms. Today, we're going to learn how to build a simple and low-cost drip irrigation system that you can set up at home or on your farm. This system is perfect for saving water, reducing labor, and giving your plants just the right amount of moisture they need to grow healthy and strong. Section 1. Why drip irrigation? Drip irrigation is one of the most efficient watering methods in agriculture. Instead of wasting water by flooding the soil or spraying overhead, it delivers water directly to the roots of your plants. This means less water evaporation, less weed growth, and healthier crops. And the best part? You don't need expensive equipment. You can build it yourself with simple and affordable materials. Section 2. Materials needed. To make this system, you'll need a plastic water container or a tank, flexible pipes or old garden hoses, small plastic bottles if you want to make mini drippers, a few nails or needles to make holes, and some tape or connectors to join the pipes together. All of these items are either available in local markets or can be recycled from what you already have at home. Section 3. Step-by-step setup. First, place your water container slightly higher than the level of your plants. This creates natural water pressure. Next, connect your flexible pipe or hose to the container. Run the pipe through your planting rows. Now, using a needle or a small nail, carefully make tiny holes along the pipe, close to where each plant is located. If you're using plastic bottles as drippers, make a small hole in the bottle cap, fill it with water, and place it upside down near the roots of your plants. Once everything is in place, open the water flow slowly. You'll see drops of water releasing directly to the base of your plants. Congratulations! You've just built your own drip irrigation system. Section 4. Benefits and Wrap-Up. This DIY system not only saves up to 50% of water, but also reduces the time and effort you spend watering your crops. Your plants will grow stronger, yields will improve, and you'll be farming smarter, not harder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DIY Agri Farms for more easy and cost-effective farming ideas. Thanks for watching and happy farming.